three free 3D models. So which one you should actually use and learn? Let's get started. So OpenSCAD. Okay, OpenSCAD here, it's actually a code-based 3D modeling software. So instead of dragging shapes around, you write scripts to generate precise 3D models. The good thing with this is that it's extremely precise and parametric, and it's perfect for engineers and technical parts. It's lightweight and fast. It's great for repeatable designs. But on the downside, it's not beginner friendly at all. There is no traditional drag and drop modeling. So it's actually, you need, well, there's learning curve and you need to be knowledgeable in order to use this. Whereas Fusion 360, the Autodesk Fusion, it's actually Autodesk professional CAD software used for product design, engineering, and even manufacturing workflows. The good thing is that it has the best user interface among all the three, and it has professional grade tools, and it's excellent for product design and prototyping, and it can balance between a beginner and advanced user. But on the downside, the free version has limitations and it requires internet for most of the features, and it's not fully open source. And the FreeCAD here, it's actually the open source parametric CAD software designed as a free alternative to expensive engineering tools. The good thing is it's completely free forever, it's open source and customizable, and great for mechanical design. But on the downside, the user interface feels a bit clunky and the learning curve is pretty steep and rough, and the performance can be inconsistent. So for beginners, you can always start with this Fusion 360. It's the best one for you, but for open source lovers, go for FreeCAD. And for programmers and precise nerds, OpenSCAD will be your playground. So if I had to pick one free 3D modeling software for most people, then I would say Fusion 360 wins on usability, and FreeCAD wins on freedom, and OpenSCAD wins on precision.